Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to demonstrate the forms feature that we have here in Pronto. So, one of the most important and common things that every business does is collect information from a customer. Whether it's details, consent, or signature, usually this is a manual process, but in Pronto it's all automatic. So I'm going to show you the new form tab that we have in the sidebar here. So go to the sidebar, you have the forms. And then at the top you'll see new form, so you click that. Then you can see a whole new form builder where you can drag and drop different sections, different elements, and then customize them to how you want. So I actually already made one, so I'm going to go back and click on test form. So here we just have standard short text, email, we have drop downs and the signature. And you can make these all your own with white labeling and branding. You can upload your own logo, your own brand colors, anything that you want. And there's also a little preview section here where you can actually visualize it as you build it. So I'm going to show you how this actually works in real time by using a workflow. So I'm going to go down to settings, scroll down to automation, then workflows. And again, I already have a workflow already made. So I'm going to click into workflow. So this will actually go through a simple automation. So when a customer messages us on WhatsApp with a condition, of course. So let's say if a customer messages in register, then you get the form rather than any message that the customer sends and then you get a form where it's not really relevant. So we do have that condition in place. And then it waits for completion and then it acts. So like I said before, an incoming message, which then triggers the form. And then with that form, there's a WhatsApp reply that's also automatic that says, "Thank you for reaching out." And then after that, it waits for the form to be completed. And then once it does, another automatic message is sent that says, "Thank you for submitting." So if I was to text in register, you will see this form pop up, the one that we just made. So you can input whatever you want. I'm just going to do tests, and then there's an email. You can select from the drop down and then anything from the signature. You can click submit. So your response has been received. So I'm going to go back, refresh the page, go to home, go to contacts, and then I'm going to search for the contact that uploaded that form. So I'm going to go to this one. And then as you can see, if you click into it in the drawer, there'll be a whole new section that says forms. And these are all the test forms that have been completed. And another thing, if you click onto the most recent form, it'll give you all the information and all the details that user submitted into the field in that form. So you have the version, the date and time when it was viewed, submitted, and what actual information was submitted into that field. And you can also resend it, you can upload a new version, all that information. And this form as well, they're clean, they're mobile first, nothing to download, no login, it's just the details, and it takes like 30 seconds to make. Very simple, very straightforward, but very effective. And it's all trackable. You can track all the information in the contacts drawer itself. So that has been the form feature that's now new and available in Pronto. Thank you for listening.